Good morning, everyone. It is 9:53 a.m. Guys, today I am doing quick and easy meals, making my husband dinner for work early. He wanted some rice, beans, and chicken, so that's what we're going to have. So I'm going to be preparing white rice. But guys, if you get tired of eating white rice, white rice is plain rice. So elevate the flavor of your rice by adding a little package of Lipton soup, and you will have chicken flavor rice. Guys, I'm going to get my water boiling. I'm not going to add salt. I usually add salt, a little bit of oil or butter, and the rice. But this time I'm not going to add salt because you know that this is salty. It contains salt. So this is going to give me the salt that I need. I'm just going to add a little bit of oil. I don't have any butter today. And my rice. And also I'm going to be making some beans and that is heavy. Some fried chicken thighs. Guys, look at the price. $5.50. Sam's Club. Yes, guys. Yes. So I'm going to get ready to do that. I'm going to show you how do I season my chicken for you to have a good flavor. So you guys know what it is to put water to boil and stuff. So I'm going to come back after I do that. Guys, this is an open collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. This is hosted by myself, Deborah Cabasta Home Living, and my two good friends, which is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, which her name is Anna, and Jean Home Decor and More. Guys, if you want to participate, by all means, make a video. We all gotta eat. Make a video of what you like to eat or you are eating that day on Sunday and upload it using the hashtag Quick and Easy Meals. Guys, I'm going to put my water to boil and I'll be right back. You guys can see I got my coffee stuff in the background because I am drinking coffee. It's breakfast time and I don't have time to make breakfast. So I'll be right back. Well, I got my water with my Lipton soup boiling. Guys, I do a cup and a half of rice. And even though that is a lot for both of us, there will be some left. And yes, guys, I keep my rice in my cracker can. So guys, the best way, some rice, for some reason they get some bugs. The best way to do is you take your rice, you put it in a container and add a couple of bay leaf that keep the rice fresh and it prevent for the rice to get bugs. If you guys didn't know that, now you know. That is a secret that my mother showed me from when I was a teenager. All right, guys, my water is boiling. And of course, here's my rice. Guys, wash your rice before you cook it. Wash your rice. This is done in a plant and people sweat and they talk and, all kinds of stuff. Guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, I hope you like what you see that I'm doing on my channel and you are considering to subscribe. And also, if you like to buy me a coffee, my Cash App information is on the bottom in the description box below. And with that, I will give you shout outs. What I do is, somebody already did a while back, send me a $3 Cash App. So what I did was, I give a shout out in 3 of my videos. So that's how I'm doing it, guys. All right, let me wash my rice, put it to cook, and I'll show you my continuation. Well, guys, my rice is drying out. The water is evaporating. Let me move you guys. I'm sorry for the movement. My water is evaporating. So I'm going to let the water evaporate a little more. Then I cover it. I do have it on high right now. Turn it down to like a medium setting. And then remember, Don't add too much water to your rice. What I do, a cup and a half of rice with a cup and a half of water. People go a cup and a half of rice and 2.5 cups of water. I don't do that. So what I do is I add the same amount of rice to the same amount of water, and then I let it cook as much as it's gonna cook on low after the water evaporates. And then if the rice is still hard a little bit, I go adding like a teaspoon of water because the rice oil needs is steam to cook. If you add too much water, you're gonna have like a sticky ball of rice, and you don't want that. Remember, once you add water, you cannot take it off, but you can always add. So in the background, I have my pot for my beans. I added garlic butter that I made. My garlic butter, it consists of garlic, a little bit of butter, and a little bit of Parmesan cheese, which is fine. So it gives it a different flavor. So see, my rice is completely dry. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stir it. See? I'm going to stir it. I'm going to cover it now and put it on low. Completely on low. And just let it steam there. Right, guys. So I got a small potato here. I washed it. I don't peel my potatoes. I washed it really good with a little brush that I have for the kitchen. So I add that. I'm going to add some recaito, of course. This one comes in two different colors. This is the green one, and then we have the red one, which is called sofrito. So I'm going to add 1 spoon, a big spoon of this for flavor. That's it. That's all it takes. I will be adding some green olives and some more spices. And when I come back, I'll show you the spices that I am adding. All right, guys. I added to my beans seasoned packaging. Of course, I added a half a teaspoon of this. Be careful with this. This contains salt. And I added some, I don't know what you guys call this thing. Cilantro. Yeah, cilantro. I added a little bit of that. That gives it a great flavor. And of course, a can of beans. And guys, in my house, I only use pink beans. So that's the only one that we like. I mean, there are so many different beans out there, but and very rarely I do red beans when I don't find the pink beans in the market. And also, a lot of you guys throw out the juice of the bean. I don't do that because the beans are already cooked, and that's where the seasoning is. Guys, look at those beans. Those beans are looking delicious. I'm going to bring you guys closer. I moved my rice to the back. The rice is almost done. My beans are all set there. You're going to cook them until the potatoes are soft. So you know, take a fork and you poke them, and that's it. Their beans are done. So I got that there on low. So now we're going to go here to the chicken. I'm going to take out my chicken out of the packaging. I will be washing my chicken with some vinegar. Yeah, I have vinegar, and I also have lemon. I'm going to do that. You guys know how to wash your chicken with vinegar and lemon. And then I'm going to season it. I'm going to make my season, and I'm going to show you what I put on my chicken, guys. I'll be right back. All right, guys, for my chicken, I have here a package of seasoning, some garlic, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, seasoning, half a teaspoon of this, and here's my chicken. It's washed. I'm only doing three thighs. I got my oil heating up, so gotta add a little bit more. That's it. And yeah, guys, just take your seasoning, mix it really good, and just add it to your chicken. It seems like a lot of seasoning, but it's not. It's more garlic than anything. My hands are clean, of course, you guys. So make sure you season that. And yes, my chicken have the skin on, but it's okay. And if you think you have enough seasoning, a lot of people are gonna be like, oh, why you do that? You're gonna get sick. I've been doing this for so many years. So I usually taste for flavor. That's plenty. I still have some seasoning left over there. So I put that to the side. And that's it, guys. And then I'm going to fry it. I'm going to show you my, let me wash my hand and I'm going to show you my rice and beans. All right, guys. Here's my beans. Then I am done. The potatoes are tender. No, wait a minute. About another minute or two. And it will be done. And then here's my Lipton rice. A lot of people buy rice that comes already with the flavor in it, and it's so expensive. So make your own. That's it. Look, guys. It's nice and done. It's not sticky, you know. So there you have it. Take a fork or spoon. The rice is done. There's no hard bite to it. When you eat the rice and you feel that hard, crunchy bite in the rice, it's not good to eat it like that, guys, because that make you constipated. Okay? Now we're going to put our chicken to fry. And this is very quick. So far, this meal has took me like, so far it's been 15 minutes. Put the chicken to fry. And that's it, guys. And that's it. And then I got this thing from Dollar Tree, and I put it on top for it. When it pops, it doesn't go all over against my wall. But even though that's it, to prevent the jumping, what I do is I take a paper towel, which is a little moist, and I put it on the top. Make a little hole for the opening, put it on the top. And when it jumps, you know, when it pops, it doesn't go on the wall, because even though with that screen, the oil gets all over, so it doesn't prevent anything. So just let your chicken cook. If you don't know, if you're afraid to do fried chicken and you don't know when your chicken is done, when you're cooking it, wait 5 minutes. I got it 5 minutes medium high. I wait like that medium high for 5 to 6 minutes. Then I flip it over. I wait another 5 to 6 minutes, and then I flip it over. You know, constantly every 5 minutes you flip it, and then when you think it's done and you're not sure, you take a fork and you open the meat a little bit, and it's done. It's very simple. A lot of people are timid to do fried chicken because they don't know when the chicken is gonna be done. And yes, it's not good to have chicken when it has blood in it or pink in it. I managed a kitchen for 21 years, and believe me, I know. When it comes to cooking, I know. I started cooking at the age of 10 with my mother. I remember when she used to put a milk crate on the stove, and she used to teach me how to cook, because I'm from Puerto Rico, and in Puerto Rico, they start getting you ready for when you get married. You don't have to be fighting with your husband because you don't know how to cook. So my mama always said, if you know how to cook, you hold the man through the mouth. As long as you know how to cook really good, your man ain't going nowhere. Guys, I've been married for 36 years, and let me tell you, that man loves my cooking. So I'll be right back to show you the final reveal. Okay, here we go. We're going to flip it. You see the nice color, guys? You see the nice color? And then just let it cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. Second time around, flipping it. Third time, flipping it. Guys, it is so simple to do fried chicken. Very simple. And I also do it with, I do my own flour batter. If you want the chicken to be nice and crispy, it's still going to be crispy like that, but I do it with the flour batter as well. Like chicken pot pie style or Kentucky Fried Chicken style. I'll do it like that as well, but this time I'm doing it like this, without the flour. Okay, guys, my chicken is ready. Look, I still have the stove on. My chicken is ready. This is what it's looking like. You guys can see. It took a total of 12 minutes to fry at medium-high heat. Like I said, guys, don't be afraid to do fried chicken. Give it a try. If you're afraid, just watch this video. This video tells you how to do it. All right, guys, I'm going to show you the final reveal, my plate of food, even though I am not going to eat it because, like I say, it's early morning, but I want to show you what it looks like served. Well, guys, are you ready to see my plate of food? Guys, everything turned out delicious. Here is my plate of food, my rice. You guys see my fried chicken and my beans. Guys, I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you and Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.